social initiatives, such as providing education and healthcare to underprivileged communities. This commitment to sustainability and social responsibility is a key factor that makes Vivo a responsible and ethical choice for consumers. However, one potential drawback of Vivo smartphones is their limited availability in some regions. While Vivo has expanded its presence in recent years, the brand may not be as widely available as other smartphone brands in some regions. This may limit the options available for users who want to purchase a Vivo smartphone. Another potential drawback is the lack of brand recognition compared to other smartphone brands. While Vivo has gained popularity in recent years, it may not have the same level of brand recognition and reputation as other well-established smartphone brands. This may make some users hesitant to purchase a Vivo smartphone, as they may not be familiar with the brand or its products. In conclusion, Vivo smartphones offer great design, performance, cameras, battery life, and software, as well as a focus on innovation, technology, sustainability, and social responsibility. While there may be some potential drawbacks, such as limited availability and a lack of brand recognition, Vivo smartphones are still a great option for users who want a high-quality smartphone at an affordable price. With their commitment to innovation and technology, as well as their focus on sustainability and social responsibility, Vivo smartphones are a responsible and ethical choice for consumers looking for a great smartphone. Another advantage of Vivo smartphones is their affordability. Compared to other well-known smartphone brands, Vivo smartphones offer great value for money, with many models priced lower than their competitors but still offering a range of great features. This makes Vivo smartphones a great option for users who want a high-quality smartphone without breaking the bank. Moreover, Vivo smartphones offer a great user experience, with a user-friendly interface and a range of customization options. The phones feature a clean and intuitive interface that is easy to navigate, and the software offers a range of customization options, allowing users to personalize their phone to their preferences. In terms of security, Vivo smartphones offer great features such as in-display fingerprint sensors and facial recognition technology, which provide quick and secure access to the phone. The phones also feature a range of security options, such as app lock and privacy protection, which enhance the security of the device and protect the user's data. Additionally, Vivo offers a range of after-sales services to ensure that users have a great experience with their smartphones. The company offers a 1-year warranty on its smartphones, as well as a range of repair and maintenance services. Vivo also has a wide network of service centers and authorized dealers, making it easy for users to get their smartphones repaired or serviced if needed. However, one potential drawback of Vivo smartphones is the lack of software updates compared to other smartphone brands. While Vivo does release software updates for its smartphones, they may not be as frequent or timely as updates from other well-known smartphone brands. This may limit the availability of new features and security updates for users. Another potential drawback is the limited availability of accessories for Vivo smartphones. While the company does offer a range of accessories such as cases and screen protectors, they may not be as widely available as accessories for other well-known smartphone brands. This may limit the options available for users who want to customize or protect their Vivo smartphone. In conclusion, Vivo smartphones offer great value for money, a great user experience, and a range of security features and after-sales services.